Hello, everybody. Josh Marler, AA4WX, here from HamShack TV. Welcome back. Some big news has been breaking all day long. Obviously, the Tokyo Ham Fair is in progress over in Japan, and it sounds like Yaesu's got a new radio coming out. Let's check it out. So this is a Yaesu FTX-1F. Frank Tango X-Ray 1 Frank. So this is an interesting looking radio. It's their replacement for the FT818 and the FT817. And by the way, we are taking this article from QRPer.com. So obviously being on a QRPer website, this is a QRP radio. Looks like it's going to be available on sometime in early 2025, so next year. It says it's a portable transceiver utilizing SDR technology, providing 6 watts of output with a 5,670 milliamp lithium-ion battery pack. That enables 9 hours of standalone operating time on the HF bands, single sideband mode, and 8 hours of operating time on VHF and UHF. FM modes based on 648 duty cycles, and you get up to 10 watts of power output when using an external DC power supply. The FTX1F is a true all-arounder. Let me put me on the camera here too so y'all can see me. It is HF 6 meters, VHF, UHF, all mode field transceiver. Information and sample were shown at Ham Fair 2024. Let's see here. You can operate in single sideband, CW, AM, FM, and C4 FM. Ooh, C4 FM. So I'm betting it will probably do wires. Not 100% sure, but it may do wires. It's SDR technology with 3DSS, and it's got a 4.3-inch high-resolution, full-color touchscreen display. 2 loudspeakers to ensure clear and powerful output. An optional and automatic antenna tuner can be attached to the rear of the transceiver with the 5670 milliamp high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack. The optional cooling fan, which is necessary for comfortable FT8 operation, can also be combined with the antenna tuner. You've got RF front end and low noise reference oscillator, enabling phenomenal multi-signal receiving characteristics. Effective QRM rejection afforded via high-speed 32-bit IFDSP. Yaesu is renowned interface, reduction system, shift, width, notch, contour, APF, DNR, and noise blanker. Okay, this answers the question, and it is compatible with Wires X. It's got the primary memory group function, memory auto grouping, and there are USB ports to support CAN operation, audio input and output, and TX control. So this is a fantastic looking radio. I believe this might be Yaesu's answer for the IC705 that Icon makes that we all know and love. I traditionally have been a Yaesu guy, so I'm kind of excited to see this one. Of course, in my previous video, you know I picked up a Icon ID52 at the Huntsville Ham Fest. So that was my first foray out of the Yaesu realm in many, many, many years. So again, this is coming out early next year sometime. Will we have it in time for Dayton? Maybe. Will we have it in time for Orlando Hamcation? I believe Orlando Hamcation may be a little bit of a stretch, but maybe Dayton Ham Fest would be, or Dayton Hamvention will be a realistic opportunity for this beautiful looking QRP rig to hit the market. I would imagine surely by Huntsville of next year we'll see it. So that's it. Again, this is the Yaesu FTX1F. So we will look forward to that coming out sometime next year. So do want to remind everybody, if you haven't liked and subscribed, go ahead and do that here. Your subscribe button is on this side. Your like button is on this side. Please do both. It dramatically helps the channel and helps get it out in front of more people. And then also, if you feel, if you really like my content and want to contribute to the channel, there are several links in the description that you can use to support the channel. Also, we do have Patreon available. You can go to patreon.com/HamShackTV, and we'll be happy to appreciate those gifts that you may want to share with the channel. So again, I'll say 7-3, and we'll talk to you real soon. This is AA4WX WSEB 693.